everyone, welcome back to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. I'm Twyla. I have a Peaches and Petals February box that I just got. The mail didn't come for 3 days because of snow, and guess what? Boxes came all in one day. So let's see what's in the February Peaches and Petals box. So obviously, this is here to cover up my address. I'm secretive and I don't want anyone to know where I live. Does that seem rude? I think that's rude. I did it anyway, so I guess I'm being rude today. Peaches and Petals is a lifestyle box for women. It is $19.99 a month. It is a monthly subscription. They do send it to us free for our review so we can share it with you so you can determine if it's something that you're interested in. I will link all of their information down below. If you're interested, you can go check them out. Here's what's in the February box. So yeah, we didn't get mail for 3 days. We had an ice storm and the mail carrier kept getting stuck. So she never did get to make it up our hill and then down our hill because she kept getting stuck before she got to our road. Alrighty, so there are lots of things in here. So I'm going to set this box right here. And then the card says, this month make memories while creating a yummy Valentine's Day retreat. Flip the card for a recipe. So maybe there's like a candy heart bark. Oh, so there's a recipe. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Can you see me? Can you see me? Oh my gosh, do I? I think I've had too much caffeine. Okay, so there's a recipe for candy hearts. Yes, I know it's way past Valentine's Day. For some reason, Peaches and Petals does not send their boxes out until after the 15th of the month. So you're not gonna get your boxes until the very end of the month, and in most cases at the beginning of the following month. So this is February's box. It says, is that love in the air? Nah, it's just the smell of chocolate and treats. Whether you spend the month of love with your significant other or favorite galentine, it's always nice to express how much people mean to you. So, speaking of, you guys mean very much to me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our videos and to comment on our videos and to send us messages on Instagram and to our email. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. The first thing on the top is Crepe wafers with cocoa cream from the land, baked in Greece. There they are. Are they? Yeah, they're. I'm not gonna open them right now, but chocolate filled wafers. Is that hazelnut? What kind of nut is that? What kind of nut is that? Is that the cocoa nut or the cocoa? Is that? Oh well, that's why the focus. Okay, the next thing in here is it's another frame. It says, good friends don't let you do stupid things alone. And then you can put a picture of you and your friend. So that's really cool. 4x4 photo that you can fit with you and your friend in here. I love the little frames that they send. I think they're very cute. Okay, next thing in here is, oh, whatever was in here is all over the bottom. It's been leaking out and it's all over the bottom. It is the Healing Garden White Lavender Epsom Salt Scrub. It does smell good, but it has, the seal is broken. So that's what the problem is. The seal is broken and it is all leaked out. Probably because it was bouncing up and down in the mail. And they don't put air pop envelopes or bubble wrap. They just put these stupid little blue papers. So the last thing in here is, oh, very cute. Yeah, that's the last thing in here. Look, you guys, I just want to show you. Because they don't put bubble wrap on the bottom and they don't wrap anything, they just throw these in for decoration. It leaked. It spilled out. Anyway, it smells good. This is from Umbra. They've sent stuff from Umbra before. And it looks like these are vase vessels. And there's a set of 2. They are triangular. That's what they look like. There's a little envelope with the hardware. There's their instruction booklet. Here is the gold holder. Here's what it looks like with the little triangle in it. There you go. That's very cute. Now you wouldn't have to put the cactus, like on the front it shows a cactus in it. You could put anything you want in there. You could put, if you're a beauty collector, you could put lipsticks in there, you know, your favorite lipsticks just to showcase. You could put silk flowers in there just for prettiness. You could put anything you want in there, really, ideally. You never know. You might see these up on my wall soon. Who knows? So that's very nice. I like those. That's very nice wall decoration. This is nice. And this is lovely. I wish that the seal hadn't broken and that it leaked out. Smells divine. And I really like these. I don't think that this is one of their better boxes for February. I think it was a great idea, a good theme. They give you chocolate for Valentine's Day, right? And here's a little something for yourself. This is all about, this is a lifestyle box for women. So it is a me moment. You know, when you open up this box, it is definitely a me moment. You get to enjoy everything in here and think of how you're going to use it for yourself or gift it to your friend, share it with someone that you love. And so I think that in itself has a value. So I think it's a good box. It's a good lifestyle box. They seem to be getting better and better, Peaches and Petals. So I think the value is more and more there. And I will say this is a good box, and I've enjoyed their boxes. So let me know what you think down below. And did you have a good Valentine's Day? What did you do to celebrate? Did you get some chocolate? Everybody, thanks for coming around, checking out our channel, hanging around, watching some videos. We absolutely love it when you do. To that end, come back and see us again. Mwah. Bye.